In our next lesson, we'll be multiplying fractions. Common denominators are not needed to multiply fractions together. For example, let's multiply 2/5 times 3/4. Let's multiply the numerators together. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then multiply the denominators together. 5 times 4 equals 20. Our answer, 6/20, can be reduced to 3/10. Here's another example. 7/8 times 3/7. Multiply the numerators together. 7 times 3 equals 21. Multiply the denominators together. 8 times 7 is 56. Our answer, 21/56, can be reduced to 3/8. You can follow the same process to multiply three fractions together. Let's multiply 1/4 times 3/2 times 8/9. First, multiply the numerators together. 1 times 3 times 8 equals 24. Then multiply the denominators together. 4 times 2 times 9 equals 72. Our answer, 24/72, can be reduced to 1/3. A whole number, such as 2, can be multiplied by a fraction. 2 times 5/8 can be written 2/1 times 5/8. Now follow the steps. Multiply the numerators together. 2 times 5 is 10. Multiply the denominators together. 1 times 8 is 8. Our answer, 10/8, can be reduced to 5/4. Mixed numbers can also be multiplied together. Here we have 4 2/3 times 1 2/7. In order to multiply them together, we will change them to improper fractions. Remember, you multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 14/3. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 9/7. Now, using the improper fractions, multiply the numerators together. 14 times 9 equals 126. And multiply the denominators together. 3 times 7 equals 21. Our answer, 126/21, can be reduced to 6. Sometimes when you are going to multiply fractions, it may be easier to cancel before multiplying. Canceling is simply reducing the numbers being multiplied before multiplying them together. For example, to multiply 2/5 times 3/4, we may just want to cancel a factor of 2 from the top. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And cancel a factor of 2 from the bottom. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now, multiply across the top. 1 times 3 is 3. Multiply across the bottom. 5 times 2 is 10. Our answer, 3/10. Let's try another one. 7/8 times 3/7. I can divide 7 by 7 and get 1 on top. I can divide 7 by 7 and get 1 on the bottom. Now, I multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 1 is 8. My answer is 3/8. Let's practice canceling by multiplying 3 fractions together. 1/4 times 3/2 times 8/9. First, I notice I can divide the bottom 4 by 4 and get 1. Divide the 8 on top by 4 and get 2. Now, I realize that I can divide the 2 on the bottom by 2 and get 1. And divide the top 2 by 2 and get 1. I can divide the 3 on top by 3 and get 1. Divide the 9 on the bottom by 3 and get 3. Now we'll just multiply across the top. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And multiply across the bottom. 1 times 1 times 3 is 3. Our answer is 1/3. Let's use canceling to multiply the whole number 2 by 5/8. The whole number 2 can be written as a fraction 2/1. Let's divide the top by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And the 8 in the bottom divide by 2 and we get 4. We multiply across the top. 1 times 5 is 5. And multiply across the bottom. 1 times 4 is 4. Remember, you can even multiply a mixed number times a mixed number as long as you change each into an improper fraction. Once you've changed your mixed numbers to improper fractions, you may use canceling. I can divide 3 by 3 and get 1 on the bottom, and divide 9 by 3 and get 3 on the top. I can divide 7 by 7 on the bottom and get 1, and divide 14 by 7 and get 2. Now multiply across the top. 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply across the bottom. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 divided by 1 is 6.